That is a bright looking machine. But when you ride like Andy does, you can get away with it. Also, when you ride like Andy does, you need top quality parts. He was in getting a clutch kit fitted to his sled. Clutch kits are a real good way to get a bit more performance out of your sled without actually adding any power. For those of us not doing backflips, we're just keeping on top of things like brake bleeds and keeping that brake fluid clean, as well as doing routine maintenance, keeping an eye out on things like this T-Motion Sport Bar, which I noticed was cracked and now it's broken off. Thankfully, we had a used one upstairs, so we were able to get this thing back up and running cost effectively and quickly. And of course, we work on all makes and models. Polaris booster, got a nice Jaws can, nice intake pipe. Here we have a utility sled, which is a 4-stroke, 3-cylinder, got plugs and servicing. Customer picked up this Chaos 850, which just had a top end, getting it ready for the snow, wherever that is.